Hello, you guys. It's that time of the year. It's Halloween and we're in fall and I love it. Okay, so you guys, I have this little buns and this little trencitas because I want to do a Dia de los Muertos makeup because I wanted to do something skull, but I didn't want it to be too dead, and I wanted to do something kind of more colorful, and it kind of ties in, you know, like my nails, my shirt, like flowery. I don't have a flower thingy going on, but I can get creative. So I'll post like I'll just put some pictures here and there of what I'm kind of basing my look on. Yeah, I think we can get started. I don't really even know how to, like, should I start with base? Yeah, I think I should definitely start with the base and then start with the eyes. So yeah, I'm excited. So if you want to get this look, keep on watching. Okay, so if I were to go to a Halloween party, which probably won't, let's be honest, I definitely go for some primer. I'll definitely go for the Pro Filter one because I feel like it doesn't dry out my skin and it's lovely on my skin also. So yeah, I'm just gonna pile that in my whole face. So what foundation should I use? I think I'm gonna go with the ColourPop just because it's like a natural finish and it's not really dewy. I've been using a lot the Milk one, but I'll definitely go for the ColourPop one because I feel like it's a natural radiant effect and I can powder it and make it look even matter without it looking cracky and stuff. I have this Morphe color pencil in Saint. It is not black. Oh, it kind of is, but it's kind of like a navy. But I think that'll work. It'll work to kind of trace out what I want out of my eye, which is kind of scaring me, I'm not gonna lie. Bear with me, I think that with this look, you're gonna look like crazy until it's over and done, so bear with me. Okay, I'm just gonna do real quick the other eye, and so that we can, you know, keep going with this. Okay, my main concern with this is that these are not, you know, that I made like gigantic circles. These are not very straight. I wanna say, oh my god, they weren't supposed to be that big. Or is my face too big? Who knows? That looks kind of better. Okay, so what I did do, I lined my tear line with the Essence liner, and then I used the shade Temptress from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, which surprised me because I really hate this palette, but it's the nearest black and only black that I think I do have, which is insane. I don't have any other blacks. So they kind of use kind of like black to like contour. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Smashbox contour kit, which is my favorite contour shade in the world because it's the only one that applies to my yellow face currently. And I'm gonna, like, first, let's do something smart. I'm gonna set my face with the ColourPop No Filter setting powder. Yeah, I'm gonna do that because I don't want this to be a glowy by any means look. Just gonna, you know, sit that shit in place. And I love this powder because it doesn't, like, make my dry skin look any drier. It just kind of mattifies it a little. And even sometimes I have to like apply a bunch of powder like this, because it literally keeps the glow no matter what, which is something that I appreciate. Sometimes, very rarely, I want to look matte, man. And I'm going to start contouring with the contour shade, and yeah, like, yeah, I actually want to like contour very harshly, see how that line looks very, very harsh. I want to, because I want to look kind of deadly, you know, a little scary, a little fab. Yeah, I want my face to look hollow AF. Maybe more blown away, because like since I want this to be really, really harsh here, because I want to do look kind of deadly, but I'm gonna like lightly tap that in so that it doesn't look weird either. And I'm gonna definitely take in that I forgot the word, that bronzer, to blend out that contour so it doesn't look that harsh or muddy, because there's a thin line between the mask and looking like shit. That, because I want it to be, I don't want it to look like super bronzed out. I just want, you know, this blending situation. I don't want it to look like I'm bronzing my whole face, but rather blending the whole thing. See how it looks like now, like more put together? I don't know, maybe it's just me. Here I'm gonna bronze it up a little to cover that dark, all that shadow that kind of fell on me. It's okay, we're gonna cover this either way. Bringing that here to kind of like shadow it in a more natural way. See how I did that little contour down there? Putting that bronzer very specific here, so that when I look across, it looks like a shadow, kind of like a normal shadow. I know, obviously, I'm not a makeup artist, but kind of works. This trick kind of works. Kind of bring it down, just because I'm gonna take a little bit of black, and kind of, I don't even know, because that is such a bad palette. Taking black or not? I'm gonna try maybe a little bit to kind of like hollow it out even more. So just gonna take, I don't even know if I should take this. Oh, I'll take definitely this one, which is a finer one. I'm gonna go in. So yeah, make sure you already blended out everything you wanted to do before you draw this line, because I feel like once you do that, it's gonna be very hard to kind of like go over stuff, even though I will, for sure. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna actually contour, before I keep going, I'm gonna contour my forehead, because we need that hollowness going. I heighten up more the contouring side of this, like right on top of that black line, and do again what I did with the fat eye brush, and take the bronzer and kind of blend that in. Okay, so let's get back to the eye so that I look like something relatable. I'm actually gonna go in, I'm gonna take back the black again from this palette, and I'm gonna go in, actually this thin dirty brush, it's black. You can just coat it in black and it'll get, you know, back to its purpose. So I think I'm gonna start, you know, putting can't really tell that they're not even, so that's nice. That's nice about the flowers. Very relieving. Okay, you guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some NYX Glitter Primer in every single socket of the flowers. This is very time consuming, I'm not gonna lie. And, and yeah, and then I'm gonna put some red glittery metallic shadow on it. Actually, should I? Yeah. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. I have some like little mistakes that I did here while I was trying to kind of fix the little circles. I definitely messed up a lot, not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm very satisfied. I really like the way that looks because it's not like a super intense red, at least on the camera it isn't, but in person it looks so metallic and very alive, but it's not like insane. Like, oh my god, it looks so creepy when I open up my eyes like this. Does it creep you out? I'm gonna get to the nose now because I feel like this is gonna be a tough one pour moi because I have a very wide open nose. Let's see what I can do. Let's see what I can do for my nose. I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the mouth. Oh, that blends in perfectly. What color is this? Don't even know. It's the shade Ambush. I think it's such a cool shade. Like, everything. I match perfectly. Should have done an orange. Whatever. Should have done an orange. Whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that dry. I'm gonna do my eyes now again. Actually, I think I'll go for the shade That Sam by this one. So I'm just gonna pop all. Oh my god, that looks so beautiful already. And I love that the glitter primer makes it look extra glittery. So I think it's gonna be a great. I don't know who said this was simple. It looks so simple. I didn't think it would take this much time. But I'm fully invested now. I'm gonna take the Artist Couture Spotlight Glitz Diamond Light Finisher. And this is the finished look, and I'm super hyped because I didn't think I'd get so much into this. I feel like I got my mini headband on from Disney. Like, I know that a bunch of people like use flowers and whatnot, but I don't really have anything. So I feel like this is the perfect add-on because it's red and my lips are red, and I just feel like it ties in perfectly. And I shine in a lot, and it's like a kind of like deadish look, but it's not like ugly. I'm really happy with the way this look turned out, like insanely happy. And I hope that you guys really enjoyed this look, and I hope that you do wish so to recreate it. You should tag me definitely on Instagram. I'll leave like my info down below too. And I'm just really happy with the way my hands are disgusting though. Yeah, like my face, like my hands, I'm sorry, like they're disgusting. But I think this is so pretty, and I feel like it's so freaking worth it. Just a bunch of setting spray. I'm gonna put some of this now. Hope that it doesn't go to shit. It's a Halloween costume, you know? You want it to last all night when you drink and get fucking trashed. Which I can't, but... Whew. Right, I definitely melted everything in. Definitely. This is a must. So yeah, you guys, I hope you do recreate this look, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below anything else you'd like me to try too. I'm really happy with the way, like, I just feel like this works. This works for me. I think it does. Let me know if it works for you. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. That's it for today. Bye!